Hi, Karen Joy Fritz here. And I thought it would be fun to just walk through some of the elements that we would put in place for the different floor plans of the TinyBiz model. So the first one that I want to talk about is the caregiver. Now, this might fit if you have someone that you're taking care of. It could be a small child or a child that you're homeschooling. It could be an elder parent, or it could be your own health limitations. Something that makes it so that a regular 40 hours a week, full on all the time, just doesn't fit. So what you can consider looking at is in your marketing, how can you limit it to just one or maybe two places that you show up? Might be online, might be in person if the meetings fit around your schedule, but not everything. Right? Pick the one or two and let go of the rest. The primary place where you're going to have constraints with the caregiver model is that you have to be interruptible, right? That kid could need you at any moment. You could have fluctuating energy where you need to go and lie down for a bit. So what is it that you need to do in your delivery model that allows you to be interruptible? For example, don't take on the kind of work that has a lot of hard deadlines. Don't take on the kind of work where you are on call to be able to solve somebody's problems within an hour. Both of those would be a mismatch. So you want to actually design your work schedule around the times when you're most likely to have the energy and the availability to serve your clients. And that way you still get to do your good in the world, have a viable income, and minimize the things that drain you otherwise. I'll have more tips as we go forward. So join us over in the TinyBiz Village.